Good morning. Welcome to the weekend. How are you? It's Saturday. It's August 11th. It's 7:38 in the morning as I hit record. And we're going to talk about yesterday's excitement. And will it continue this weekend? I'm thinking maybe. Maybe, yeah. 92 yesterday's high. Are you kidding me? 5 degrees below average. And 70 our low. 4 degrees below average. Just beautiful. It was almost cold on the deck yesterday morning. Almost. Very refreshing. Rain at the airport, just 9/100ths, almost a tenth, and we're still about a half inch below average for this time of year. Average so far this year is 6 1/3. We add about 8/100ths every day to the average at this time of year. So 9/100ths kept pace. We knocked a 100th on the minus 54 for the year, if that makes sense. I don't know if that made sense. Here's the forecast. But before we get to that, let's check out rainlog.org. Again, cooperative observers around the city, really around the state, if I zoomed out far enough, report their rainfall amounts every morning around 7 o'clock. So 7:39 right now, and here's where we stand. Severe thunderstorm warning issued yesterday afternoon about 4:15 for an hour, and boy, did it rain hard, especially northeast and northern Oro Valley. Look at this. Is this still Oro Valley? I don't know. So here's Rancho Vistoso right here, and this is Tangerine. From 3/4 of an inch to 8/10 to an inch and a half of rain. And Jeff Beamish tweeted yesterday, meteorologist Jeff Beamish from News 4 Tucson today. He tweeted out some video of small hail at his place, and he lives in here somewhere. A little further north, almost 3 inches of rain. Wow. And an inch and a half here. So, yeah, pretty darn good. Now, if we go to my apartment, right about here, I got, wait, my apartment's right about here. So, in between the 0.15 and 0.25 is what I got. And again, a little further west, a little more, 1/4 inch to 1/3 of an inch for much of Oro Valley. And Marana got in on some of that 2/4 inch to 1/3 of an inch. You can't quite see that on the screen. Let me move it over. There you go. 1/4 inch to 1/3 of an inch. That's why I'm looking off camera, so I can see all my screens. All right. East side. Did we go through this yet? No, not yet. So, my goodness, 1.7 right here. Catalina Highway, the base of Catalina Highway. 1.7. And then we got several places here above an inch of rain as you get into the eastern foothills. Near an inch here by 7 Falls Trailhead, 3/4 of an inch, a little further to the west. Further to the west, here's Pontotoc. Here's Sunrise, about a half inch here, a little more further east and south. Then when you get into Midtown, and I'm getting some complaints, why is Midtown missing out on this monsoon? I don't know. I really don't know. And so it did rain in Midtown yesterday, just not nearly the amounts, right? So we're looking at a few hundredths to 0.14. Sorry. And that's the same east of the, west of the I-10 area. Blah blah blah. So that's how we ended up yesterday. What about today? So interesting. We have a little bit drier air in the upper levels today, just a little bit. So probably not as aggressive with the storms today as yesterday, but still, we should see scattered storms popping up in the middle of the afternoon and lasting into the evening hours. So scattered storms, hopefully one near you. A little warmer today, 96. Still, that's 1 degree below average. So, and 72 tomorrow morning's low. That 2 degrees below average. So nice temperatures. As we get into tomorrow, we lose the dryness, so the drier air moves out again, and activity should end earlier tonight than it did the night before last. Last night ended pretty early too, so we'll end up with pretty sunny skies Sunday. So a 20% chance of storms in the afternoon and a really good chance tomorrow evening, about 40%. So this weekend should be plenty of scattered storms about. So hopefully near you and hopefully Midtown you can catch up with us, hopefully, with the rest of us. Monday, Tuesday, high pressure nosing in, sort of suppressing our storm chances. So we'll just go 20% Monday night, Tuesday night, and then Wednesday we're back at it. Moisture increases, a disturbance in the force, adding some lift. Really good by Wednesday and continuing into the rest of the week. Here we go with the Weather Prediction Center broad brush. Flash flooding possible for the northern part of Arizona, to our north according to this, with scattered storms in the area still, and then this other area of flash flooding possible from the Big Bend of Texas into central Texas. My son's here in San Antonio, somewhere in there. Let's see, tomorrow, we love you tomorrow. I don't know if we love you so much. We got the storm chances going down, a little drier air nosing in. It's just not great, but that contradicts what I just said, that the drier air will be moving out. It should be good tomorrow evening. We get into Monday, and we'll keep the scattered showers and storms in here, although drying out to our west. So, you know, it is what it is. We're going to get what we're going to get. So I think it's going to be a pretty good weekend. 30% chance today and tonight, 20-40 tomorrow. So this is our best chance for storms when we take not a complete break Monday and Tuesday, but things calm down a little bit, and then ramping back up Wednesday. So I'm liking it. All right, here's the news. I'm going to announce this here for some reason. I haven't really talked about this yet. My last day at the radio station is August 31st. So I'm going to be, I'm not more aggressive, but I'm just going to throw it out there a little more often. There is a Patreon for Tucson Weather if you'd like to support the channel and help me out. It does help. I $17 deposited in my account a couple days ago. You'd be surprised how much of a difference that makes for me right now. So if you would like to support the channel and want to give through the Patreon, I'll put the link in the description. You don't have to. I'm going to continue to keep doing what I'm doing. And I think I'll even put the PayPal link if you just want to give a one-time tip or something. I'll put that in there too. And we'll just continue to move on with this stuff. And I think I have a couple ideas for a couple other YouTube channels too. So, and I'm doing some work on the side for Teen Challenge of Arizona. So I'm going to make it. Everything's going to be fine. I'm not nervous. But any help is helpful. And I really do appreciate you. So we'll do this again tomorrow. I'll keep you posted on how things go tonight, and we'll see you back here on Sunday. See ya.